What's up, y'all? JustZay here, back to another pickup. Today we got a special unboxing as well as a special guest. Yep. Today we're unboxing a pair of New Balances. This is actually the first pair of New Balances that I've actually reviewed, I think, now that I think about it. I got about 3 or 4 pairs. I'll probably bring those in later on in the video. But I like this particular pair probably the most. I'm not trying to be biased because these are the newest pair that I have, but I actually like these a little bit better than the other ones I have. You like them better too? A little bit, just a little bit. So, all right, so let's get into it. So, right off the bat, the first thing you notice is the tissue paper. And on the tissue paper, you see the branding. You see the branding of the NB, which of course stands for New Balance. And then once you get past the final layer, what's gonna stand out to me, and which probably will stand out to you guys, is not the reflective end, but the super attention grabbing color. This particular colorway is labeled as the Garnet Deep Earth Red, which of course you can see, which is throughout the whole pig suede mesh parts of the shoe. At first I was like, but the more I see these, the more I love them. Like I said, of course, there wouldn't be a New Balance if there wasn't reflective material throughout the whole shoe. The reflective end right here, little piece of reflective right here, reflective right here, reflective on this side. Now I'm surprised there's nothing on the back that's reflective, but it doesn't take away from the shoe. Like I said, we have the suede, we have the mesh right here, and then right here throughout the soles we have energy. So this is their response to, I'm not going to say it, but this is their response to the you know what. Well, if you don't know, I'll tell you anyway. This is their response to Boost. This is their energy. So as you walk the heel of your foot, it pushes it back down. So it's pretty good. This is pretty comfortable. All right, so back to what we left off on. As the guys tell you, let me zoom in, let me focus. One second. There we go. Boom. So as I was telling you before, you're gonna notice branding of 2002R on here, and brands of energy, which is right here, and then little stable right there, and New Balance branding right here. Now, the whole point of this shoe, the reason this shoe came back out is because they basically redid a classic. I think it's a classic. Well, I think others think it's a classic as well, because when they remade another shoe, they didn't think it would do well. This is an actual rendition, a futuristic rendition of the pair that came out back in 2010. Very similar. Only difference is going to be the tech right here in the sole. And I think that the way they redid this shoe, other shoe brands can learn from. You still get the basic look of what it was, but you have the upgraded comfort of this sole. Now, when I say upgraded of this sole is lightweight as well as flexible. And if you look, there is additional paddings throughout the collar. And when I say additional paddings, I say that in respect to the other pair of New Balances that have came out in the past. If you look at, let's say, the pair of the 999s that I have, these right here, lightweight. Appearance, I like them, some don't. And then you look at a pair of 1500 mids. Appearance, I love them. Some don't, some do, but the comfort's not there. The comfort is here, where it's nice and lightweight, not as stylish, but it's a classic look and a classic colorway. This right here, classic colorway, just not as comfortable. Well, you have this shoe right here, which is a little bit of both. You have the stylish look, the comfort. I mean, what more could you ask for? Reflective material, which the brand is known for throughout the shoe, except for right here. This is a surprise right here. I was surprised to see this being white and then not reflective at all or gray. You know, that was a little bit of a surprise for me. But overall, man, I think this is a great shoe. Definitely something you want to try on if you can. If you had a pair of New Balances, you already know how they feel. But if you don't, these are nice and lightweight. Fitting of these are true to size. I wear a size 10. I actually got these in a size 10. You can go half a size up for a little extra room if you want to, or if you may need to. And I say you may need to because some people, they like to take the soles out and they want to put on a thicker sole, something a little extra more comfort, which you can. This is not glued on, this sole right here, so you can easily just take that out of the shoe with no problem. Overall, man, if you can get your pair, definitely get your pair. These are only $139 retail. Alright, now it's time to see how easy it is to slip these bad boys on. Alright. Super easy to put on. Nothing to it but to do it. Same thing as slipping off. Hey, yo, I ain't no hater, but you know how people say I ain't no hater, they start saying some hate. I ain't no hater, but real talk, when niggas gonna get me a mirror? Like dead ass, you can literally put my right here, put me right there chilling. I'm really out here getting it in these streets.